FEELWORLD WT1S review. Wireless video freedom that actually works without cable chaos. Ever run a beautiful multi-camera shoot only to trip over SDI cables snaking across the floor like angry pythons? Last month, I watched the camera operator nearly yank a $4,000 cinema camera off a tripod because someone stepped on a cable during a corporate event. The whole room froze, heart racing, production delayed, completely avoidable. Has cable chaos ever killed your creative flow? Every tangled cable swap, every we lost signal panic, every moment you can't move your camera freely, it builds this knot in your stomach that just sits there all day. You tried shorter cables, cable management clips, nothing actually solved the freedom problem. You're still tethered, still limited, still one accidental tug away from disaster. But there's a way to cut cables without cutting corners. Then everything changed when I discovered the FEELWORLD WT1S 4K wireless video transmission system. Don't just pick any wireless video system. Make sure it has both SDI and dual HDMI interfaces so you never suffer the cable trip disasters and limited camera positioning literally everyone complains about again. The WT1S delivers rock-solid 4K wireless transmission up to 1,000 feet with only 0.08 seconds latency, meaning you see what your camera sees in real time without lag or guesswork. Full duplex intercom built right in lets you and your camera operator talk simultaneously. No walkie-talkie push-to-talk delays. Dual HDMI outputs on the receiver mean one feed goes to your monitor, the other straight to your streaming encoder or recorder without needing splitters. SDI input and loop-through handle professional broadcast workflow seamlessly. Here's what surprised me: the direct USB streaming capability. Plug the receiver into your laptop and it appears as a webcam in OBS instantly. A live event producer told me she was seconds from missing a critical keynote moment when her wired setup failed, but she switched to the WT1S mid-event and captured everything wirelessly without missing a single frame. Total relief. Creative freedom restored instantly. Here's what that wireless freedom unlocks daily. Setup time drops from 30 minutes of cable routing to under 5 minutes of simple power-on pairing, which flows into faster location changes, better camera angles you couldn't physically reach before, and tighter creative control over dynamic shots that were impossible when tethered. A leading broadcast technology analyst praised the WT1S as offering features found in systems costing 3 to 4 times more, specifically highlighting the professional SDI connectivity and full duplex intercom that competitors skip entirely. Top filmmaking YouTubers confirm that 80 millisecond latency is genuinely imperceptible for focus pulling and live directing. One used it for 6 months on paid commercial shoots without a single reliability issue. Wedding videographers, church production teams, and corporate streamers report the 1,000-foot range covers entire venues effortlessly. And the NPF battery compatibility means all-day shoots without scrambling for proprietary batteries. Worried about signal dropouts in crowded RF environments? The auto channel selection scans and picks the cleanest frequency automatically. I've used it in conference centers packed with Wi-Fi and never lost connection. Let me be honest. In extremely congested urban environments, you might occasionally need to manually switch channels, but that's true of every wireless system at any price point. Imagine walking onto any set, crowded event, outdoor location, multi-room studio, and moving your camera freely, confidently, wirelessly, without a single cable holding you back or limiting your creative vision. The FEELWORLD WT1S 4K wireless video transmission system gives you professional SDI and HDMI connectivity, full duplex intercom, and 1,000-foot range without the premium price panic, and thousands of productions worldwide rely on it daily. Full transparency, I earn a small commission if you use my affiliate link in the description or pinned comment below. You deserve creative control without cable chaos. Experience wireless freedom today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.